Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha and you are watching our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Let's start with today's session. Imagine this, your company is working in the oil and gas industry. Everything is going well and suddenly a small quality mistake leads to a huge loss. Maybe a failed audit, a rejected product or even losing a big client. Sounds stressful, right? Well, this is exactly why ISO 29001 exists. But let's be honest, when you hear ISO clauses, it feels complicated and boring. So today, I'm going to make it super simple for you. No technical jargon, no confusion, just clear practical understanding. By the end of this video, you will not only know ISO 29001, but you will actually understand how it works in real life. So let's get started. First of all, understanding ISO 29001. ISO 29001 is a quality management system standard made especially for the oil and gas industry. Think of it like ISO 9001, but stricter and more focused on risk and safety. Its main goal is simple: to make sure companies deliver safe, reliable, and consistent quality products, especially in high-risk environments. Now, clause 1 to 3. Starting with the basics. The first three clauses are like the foundation. Clause 1 explains where the standard applies, mainly for companies involved in gas, oil, and related industries. Clause 2 refers to ISO 9001 for basic terms and concepts. Clause 3 defines important words like risk and quality. In simple terms, these clauses make sure everyone understands the same language before moving ahead. Then we have clause 4. Understand your business first. Before improving anything, you must understand your business. Clause 4 focuses on this. It asks you to look at internal and external factors that affect your work, like market conditions, safety risk, or regulations. It also tells you to identify stakeholders such as customers, employees, and suppliers, and understand their expectations. Finally, you define the scope of your system and how your processes work. Simply put, this clause answers, do you really understand your business and its challenges? Then we have clause 5. Leadership plays a key role. Clause 5 highlights the importance of leadership. Top management cannot just sit back. They must actively take responsibility. They need to set a clear quality policy, guide the team, and ensure everyone knows their role. If leadership is strong, the system works smoothly. If leadership is weak, even the best plans fail. So this clause is all about commitment from the top. Then comes clause 6. Plan smartly and think about risk. Clause 6 is all about planning, especially focusing on risk. Instead of reacting to problems later, this clause tells you to think ahead. For example, if there is a chance of machine failure, you should plan maintenance in advance. It also requires setting clear goals like reducing defect or improving delivery time. Plus, any changes in processes should be planned properly. In short, this clause teaches you to be proactive, not reactive. Then comes clause 7. Give your system the right support. To run a good system, you need proper support, and that's what clause 7 is about. It ensures you have the right people, tools, and infrastructure. Employees should be trained and skilled for their roles. They should also understand how their work affects quality. Communication should be clear and proper documents like SOPs and records must be maintained. This clause builds the backbone of your entire system. Then we have clause 8, execution, where everything happens. Clause 8 is the heart of ISO 29001 because this is where actual work happens. It starts with planning operations and understanding customer requirements clearly. If your company designs products, those processes must be controlled. Supplier management is very important because poor quality inputs can lead to poor outputs. Production must be controlled carefully, and products should be checked before delivery. If something goes wrong, defects must be handled properly. This clause ensures that quality is actually delivered, not just planned. Then we have clause 9, check your performance. Once everything is running, you need to check if it is working properly. Clause 9 focuses on monitoring and evaluation. You need to measure performance, conduct internal audits, and review everything at the management level. This helps you understand whether your system is effective or needs improvement. Then we have clause 10, keep improving continuously. The final clause is about improvement. It says you should always try to get better. When a problem occurs, fix it and make sure it doesn't happen again. The goal is continuous improvement, small changes that lead to big results over time. This is what makes a company successful in the long run. Now, this is something very important. What makes ISO 29001 special? ISO 29001 is not just a basic quality standard. It focuses strongly on risk management, defect prevention, supplier control, and traceability. In industries like oil and gas, where risks are high, these elements are extremely important. That's what makes this a standard powerful and unique. Many companies make mistakes like ignoring leadership involvement, maintaining poor documentation, not controlling suppliers properly, and treating ISO as just paperwork. These mistakes reduce the effectiveness of the system. To succeed, you must focus on real implementation, not just certification. So now you can see, ISO 29001 is not complicated at all. It is simply a structured way to run your business better, safer, and more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more such easy explanations. And I have a question for you. Which clause do you find the most confusing or challenging? Let me know in the comments, and I will help you simplify it even more. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing.